Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are all slightly up today, but the real story right now is not the move, it's the hesitation. Even though prices are holding steady, institutional demand is starting to soften, and that's changing how this market behaves. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting around the mid-76,000 range. Ethereum is holding steady, and XRP is seeing small gains. On paper, that looks fine, but under the surface things are a little different. Markets are basically waiting. Waiting on macro, waiting on the Federal Reserve, waiting on major tech earnings. And that matters because crypto right now is not moving on its own. It's moving with everything else. We're seeing a strong correlation with tech stocks, which means when big companies report earnings or when interest rate decisions come out, crypto reacts almost immediately. At the same time, there's still one big level holding everything back, 80,000. Bitcoin keeps getting close, keeps testing it, and keeps getting rejected. Until that level breaks clean, the market stays stuck in this slow grind phase. Now here's where things get interesting. Even though prices are holding up, analysts are starting to notice that institutional demand is not as aggressive as it was earlier in the move. And that matters because large capital is what usually pushes Bitcoin through major resistance levels. So what you end up with is a market that's stable but not explosive. And this is the phase where most people lose patience because nothing feels like it's happening, but in reality, this is where positioning happens. Because once the market gets its next catalyst, whether that's interest rate clarity, strong tech earnings, or a shift in global sentiment, that's when things tend to move quickly. And that's the key right now. Not chasing moves, but being ready for them. Now, if you're newer to crypto or just looking for a simple way to get started, this is actually one of the easier phases to enter. Because you're not chasing a breakout, you're stepping in while things are relatively calm. That's why offers like the Binance 10 USDC welcome bonus actually make sense right now. It's not about the $10, it's about getting access to the platform, understanding how everything works, and being ready when the market does move. You can test trades, explore different assets, and actually get familiar with the market without jumping in blindly. And once you understand how to navigate it, everything becomes a lot easier. Because in a market like this, the difference between reacting late and being early is usually just preparation. So bringing it all together, crypto is not exploding right now, but it's not breaking down either. It's in a holding pattern, waiting for direction, waiting for a catalyst. And when that catalyst hits, that's when things usually stop moving slowly and start moving fast. For example, if the Iran war ended today, the market would very likely pump. The market is sensitive to global events right now. There's no denying that. That's why we've been paying attention to everything going on around the world right now. Not just the crypto market. If you want more updates like this, make sure to follow, and we'll keep you ahead of what's actually happening in the market.